Hello everyone, and this is in the continuation of our project that we are creating using Angular, a very simple project. So till now we have created this default project and this is the default app component that we have. We have removed everything and we have just kept welcome to Heroes demo. And this is the output of our application. Now let's start creating some components, okay? So we already have listed the commands that we want to fire, okay, to create various components. We want to create a tab component, list component, item component, and heroes component, hero service. So I'm going to simply copy them and paste it here, okay. So nggc will create tabs, then nggc list, it will create list component, nggc item, it will create item component, nggs heroes, it will create hero service, okay. And then we also want to install a bootstrap, right? So I'll go and fire that command as well. And then what we have to do is for the bootstrap, we should copy the bootstrap library and update our project. Okay. So this one has installed the bootstrap now, npm install bootstrap. So we go to one of the configuration file, angular.json. Here we have the default styles, and here we will copy the bootstrap file from node modules. Okay, so this is where the bootstrap gets installed, and we are going to refer to this bootstrap now. So with this, I'm sure that we'll have to again run this application, and now we can see the output. Okay, so right now it's not launching yet. So yeah, it will say that this site can't be reached. But as this ng-serve will build and run, then you can see that our output is back. Welcome to Heroes demo. Okay, now let's start adding things. Okay, so here now if I simply add a button using a bootstrap, I can give the button some CSS. So button primary, if I say button primary and I say hello there or hello Girish. Okay, and if I see the here, oh, I get a button. Okay, so like that you can add the buttons and it gets some nice style set. So first thing that we want to do is we want to add a tab, right? So I'll say app tabs. Okay, this is what we want to add, right? So that tabs is the component that we have created, and if you see, look at this component file, app tabs, this is the selector. So selector is what we use to add it somewhere. Okay, so here it is by default tab works. So let's see the output. Yes, it says tab works, right? And similarly in that tabs, if we add the list, okay, it will say list works. And similarly inside the list, if you go here and you add a app item, so it's gonna say item works. Okay, like that. So as you can see, we have created various components, tabs, list, and item, and they can be added into each other. Okay. So now what we want to do here is basically let's go to the service. Now the service is going to be common across all the modules. So let's make an entry of this service here in the provider. So that's our service. First we need to import it. Import this service. Okay, from path is dot dot slash, is it dot dot, or it's in the same folder slash heroes dot service. Okay, now this service is known to the complete application once we add it in the modules, and now we can embed it in others. Okay, so I can go to the tabs and I can embed it here in the constructor. So private SW, this is my service heroes. Of course I need to import it from, I'll say dot dot slash heroes dot service, right, and yeah. Now this service, inside the service, we need to provide some data, right? So the data is our members, we can say, the heroes, whatever it is. Um, okay, so that's going to be heroes is equal to it's going to be array, and the array each entry will be containing name. Let's say I will say Batman. Okay, and side, we will have side which is white, and similarly we will have some more heroes. Okay, uh, Batman, Superman, Hitman. What else is Spider-Man. Then who else? I will add my name. Okay, Girish Lande. Fine. So these are the heroes that we have, and it will have get heroes. Okay, and get heroes will simply return this dot heroes. Okay. For the time being, this is fine. So now in the tabs, what we will do here is this is our TS file. Here we'll say get members, okay, or get heroes, whatever it is. And in this we can use return this dot sw dot get heroes, okay. And I can use this method in my tabs component here, okay. So what we will have to do is let's create a h2 star ng4 directive. Okay, for is equal to let m of mm, get members. Okay, and we will simply add a m dot name. Okay, if that's fine. Now if we go here, as you can see, tab works. So this tab works is coming, and here ng4 let m of get members. So all the members we can see here: Batman, Superman, Hitman, Spider-Man, Girish Lande. Okay, so that's how we use it. There are various concepts are being covered here. ng4 is a directive used for getting all the arrays, lists, contents like that. And then this is integration. Okay, how to interpolate the your members into the output front end. And that's all I wanted to demo to begin with. Okay, so thank you for watching, and let's continue this in the next tutorial.